Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to learn and grow daily. Today we'll be covering the topic of brainstem. So brainstem nuclei derivations and their lamina. So here the lamina is divided into two. There is alar lamina as well as basal lamina. So first is we break down into the midbrain. So let's look into the midbrain. And under this midbrain there is the alar lamina as well as the basal lamina. So what is under the alar lamina? Under alar lamina it includes the colliculi. There is also the SN, that's substantia nigra, the red nucleus, RL. Then comes the mesencephalic nucleus of the trigeminal nerve. So mesencephalic nucleus, and this is of the trigeminal nerve. That is a GSA. Next, when we look at the basal lamina, so under the basal lamina it includes the oculomotor nucleus, next it includes the Edinger-Westphal, nucleus, that is the GVE. Then comes the trochlear nucleus, that is the GSE. Then we move on to the pons. So we saw the midbrain. Next, talking about the pons. Pons, there are various structures. So as we move on to the alar lamina. So around the alar lamina, what are the things we have? We have the pontine nuclei. There is also the vestibular nuclei. Then comes the cochlear nuclei. The main sensory nucleus of the trigeminal nerve. The main sensory nuclei, and this is of the trigeminal nerve, that is the GSA. Then comes the nucleus of the spinal tract of trigeminal nerve. And this is of the trigeminal nerve. This is nothing but again the GSA. Next, what we have is the nucleus of tractus solitarius. Nucleus of the tractus solitarius, that includes the SVA and the GVA. So this was about the alar lamina. Next we move on to the basal lamina. Under basal lamina it includes the motor nucleus of the trigeminal nerve, Next, it also includes the motor nucleus of the facial nerve, the nucleus of abducent nerve, superior salivary nucleus, and also the lacrimatory nucleus. Lastly, we move on to the structure medulla oblongata. So under medulla oblongata, let's look at the alar lamina. Under alar lamina, it includes the inferior olivary nuclei. Next, it also includes the vestibular nuclei, the nucleus of spinal tract of the trigeminal nerve, that is GSA. Next is the nucleus of tractus solitarius, this includes the SPA and the GVA. Moving on, there is also under the alar lamina, there are parts of the dorsal nucleus of vagus, dorsal nucleus vagus. Next, we have the basal lamina. So basal lamina under the medulla oblongata. So under this, there is parts of dorsal nuclei of vagus, parts of dorsal nucleus, and this is nothing but of the vagus. Next comes the inferior salivary nucleus, the nucleus of ambiguous, and the hypoglossal nucleus. To watch more videos like these and grow daily, subscribe to the Dr. Hub channel.